Hey, all first things first, thank you, Father God, for your love. And you guys got dragon problem? Jesus Christ named that cloud. All those clouds. Southern California. It is February. It's gonna be March in a couple days, 8 days. Look how bright that sun is. You got a dragon problem? I got no problem with dragons. I think I got a problem with this guy though. Yeah, I better turn your face. He's turning his face. That's so funny. This is a little quick post. Gotta make a quick one for Scar. He likes his food fast. What do you think, Dragon Riders? It's a ship, all right. The dragon's chasing it. Father, have that ship get away from that dragon. In Jesus Christ's name, I ask that you save those guys on the ship. Thank you, Papa. All right, a quick post. Love you, Scar.